Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your PayPal account, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure your PayPal account, start by visiting the PayPal website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Choose between a personal or business account based on your needs. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click Continue. Next, enter your personal details such as your name, address, and phone number. Click Continue to proceed. You will then need to link your bank account or credit card. Select Link a bank account or link a credit card and provide the necessary information. Follow the prompts to verify your bank account or card. Once linked, confirm your business information if you opted for a business account. Add any additional information required for setup. Now it's time to set your security preferences. Go to the Account Settings section by clicking on the gear icon. Choose Security and enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Review your notification preferences to stay updated on account activity. Check your privacy settings to manage who can see your information. After finalizing your settings, review your account summary for accuracy. Your PayPal account is now ready for transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.